put a natural language front end on your IVR. Why? Well, it can help the customer experience, although it's not a panacea. It will give you real data about what people are contacting you about, which could drive opportunities in self-service, and it gets you on the path to using modern conversational AI platforms, which I truly believe are going to be an important part of your customer service strategy over the next 5, even 10 years. This is the first of 10 things that I'm going to teach you that you can do in between 6 days and 6 weeks that are going to move the needle on conversational ROI in your business. So a natural language front end is a system that allows you to ask customers, how can I help you? For them to answer in a way that feels natural and easy to them, and then you get them to the right place, whether that's automation or agent. Now, this used to be quite an expensive thing to do. You used to have to gather 20, 30, even 100,000 utterances, recordings of customers answering that question, how can I help you? And then you have to tag and use all that data to train systems. It used to take 6 to 12 months, up to $1 million, even more than that, and a lot of upkeep. But modern conversational AI platforms have changed this considerably. They have huge background language models which cover a great deal of the complexity of language. So all you need to put in is those specific things that relate to your specific business. So it can learn from a much, much smaller amount of data, as few as a few hundred, or ideally a few thousand examples. And you need to tag those so that you tell the system which example relates to which call type, which intent, so that you can route customers to the right place, whether that's agent or automation. But this is something you can do much more cheaply using modern conversational AI platforms. And what if you don't have a modern conversational AI platform? Well, what am I talking about here? I'm talking about the likes of Amazon Lex, we're talking Google Dialogflow, IBM Watson, Microsoft Azure Bot Framework. All of these platforms have these large background language models that you can use. If you don't have that platform today, even that's not a problem, because most of them allow you to call out to an API just to process the answer to the question, how can I help you? So try this year. It could have a big impact on your experience. It will give you data that will drive future opportunities and will get you onto a path of using more complicated, more sophisticated natural language technology in your conversational AI systems, whether that's IVR or Chatbot. If you found this interesting and want to get more insights in and around conversational AI, then please connect with me on LinkedIn, join my weekly newsletter, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can get loads more insights and lots of ideas about how to improve conversational AI in your business.